Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about the trades that were taken last week and the reasons for the trades. So let's get started. Week started on Sunday, half day, right? Sunday it opens, the market opens on Sunday, which was 20th March. So I had this entry here in USD yen from 20-minute chart. And this is for 70 pip. On the left, you can see the yellow mark where the entry is. So the entry is shown, SL move to break even plus shown here. Before I close the trade, I record this chart. That's how I do record all the charts. So this is the setup. I have a setup and I have like 4 conditions. Unless I have those 4 conditions, I would not open the trade. So, and all those 4 conditions must be met before I open the trade. So every single trade is with the setup. So this is the 20th March USD yen for 70 pip. On the same day, pound yen, and it is for 65 pip. Actually, it was last Friday, the entry was, and then close on Sunday night. Okay, so on the Monday, the following day, this is, you have on the 21st, 115 pip on Euro Aussie. Look at this, entry, short entry, or long entry. And it has to be by the setup. Okay, Magic Ivy setup. So here on the same 20th, Euro CAD, beautiful by the books entry, all the way down to 110 pip. On the 21st, again, Aussie yen going to the upside from here, and it is for 90 pip buy. All right, and then you have pound CAD on the 21st, right here, beautiful entry here, and not much, but 60 pip, right? And here, excuse me, on the 21st, a lot of trades on 21st. Euro Newsy was getting strong. I'll show you the chart at the end. So Newsy, everything, Euro Newsy, pound Newsy, they all went down. So Euro Newsy is 410 pip, beautiful short entry, and gone with the wind. And this is Aussie USD. Aussie is keep getting strong. Aussie, Newsy, CAD getting strong. And Euro, pound, and especially yen is very, very weak. So Aussie USD on the 22nd, 75 pip. On the 22nd, Newsy USD, again, Newsy was getting strong, so it's gone up 65 pip. And 22nd, I had an entry, and Euro yen. Yen is everything yen went up big time. So all you gotta see is along in yen pairs. So Euro yen entry was here for 85 pip on the 22nd. And then you can see pound yen entry gone 115 pip on 22nd. And pound Aussie getting strong, Aussie on the right hand side, and pound was getting weak because of the news, and this thing went down big time. And then 50 pip here from this entry here. And on the 23rd, Euro Aussie as well, it went down for 145 pip. That is because of Aussie. Both pair went down big time because of the Aussie strength, and it is still keep getting strong. On the 23rd, Euro Aussie second entry here, that was the first one from the top, and this is for 90 from the other account I had it. Okay, this one going for 150, and this one I got this beautiful entry, so I said, so I must have it. So on the other computer, I opened that one, and another 90 pip on the 23rd. On the 23rd, Euro Newsy is also getting strong. All the commodity currencies, because of the war right now. So CAD, Aussie, Newsy, very, very strong. So we went down here, 60. Now pound Aussie again, this one going down. Remember the top from the top? I had that one, and then another entry here on the 23rd for 70 pip. Now yen again, pound yen, Euro yen, Aussie yen, Newsy yen, CAD, everything yen went up. And I'll show you why. So CAD, yen, it was all planned. I knew it already. So CAD yen 140 pip on the 24th. And then you have USD yen to the upside, 175 pip. Look at that. This was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade. This was a trade small, but it came down and then again from here. From here to straight up 175 pip. Aussie yen again went up 115 pip. All yen pairs you will see. Gold, that was my couple of entries. I put these trades on the Telegram as well. So this was the first entry here, first setup here, second setup here. There was a third one and the fourth one, but I just didn't take it because 2 entries enough. So this was a buy order here, both SL move in here, break even plus, and then finally 1965 was a very strong resistance. So I closed both entries there. On the monthly chart, you can see these this number 1965. BTC USD on the 24. Nice, beautiful, same kind of setup, right? This here goes all the way down. Yellow is above the black. Red candle comes into the wave and then bouncing. Couple of blue candles. I opened the trade and nice and clean. Went to the upside. And then on the 24th, again, pound yen. You know, it was up, retrace, and then start to go up. This is an entry, this is an entry, this is not, but these two. So I got that one. Buy order here and 405 pip. On the 24 USD CAD, I just said it, you know, as I've been telling the CAD, because of the war, we got a problem with the shortage of gas. And then from Russia, right? And the gas prices are going up, and Canadian dollar is the beneficiary. So Canadian dollar is getting very strong. Everything CAD, Euro CAD, Aussie CAD, Pound CAD, USD CAD, they're all going down, and CAD yen is going up. All right. So this was an entry 95 pip on the 24th. See, Pound CAD short entry drop 55 pip. Then CAD yen 20-minute chart, you can see this was the entry, the trade I just showed you a little while ago, and then this is the one it went up to on the 25th for 25 pip, right? And then USD yen went up also. This was for 105 pip, and this is for 75 pip. And then Pound CAD again, this is the one that I just showed you, and this is another one for 65 pip to the downside because of the CAD strength. Euro CAD, like I said, CAD is getting strong, everything CAD going down, except CAD yen. CAD is on the left-hand side, so that one is going up. Here, Euro CAD on the 25th, 90 pip to the downside. So many trades and so many beautiful entries. Look at the chart. I mean, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry, entry. By my rules, by, you know, like by the book. Again, USD CAD. This was the first trade I just showed you, and then this is on the 25th for 55 pip. So these are the trades, almost like 28, 27, no, 29 altogether, 29 trades last week. Big, huge week. And all big trades, you know, 175 pip. And USD yen, the pound CAD, 150 pip, pound Aussie, and Euro Aussie, 145. You know, trades like that. Because of the system, I was able to. Now, let me show you that most of these were let me see. Yeah, here. Okay. Now you should be able to see my chart here. This is the chart, for example, pound Nuzi. If I went down a couple of trades, you know, to the downside, I traded like for 3 weeks. I'm shorting this thing. Why? Because this is the chart I made on the 13th February. That is going to go down all the way here, break the TL, and we will go for 85.30. So what happened to this chart as of today is on the 15th, it was here. I made another chart that we're going to go down to 85.30. And then on 25th, we are coming down. So how hard was it to take all these shorts whenever they are available, right? So I just took them. That's it. Knowing before in hand, you have the charts in hand that this thing is going to go down. And then after that, if I see my setup, the short setups, why shouldn't I take it, right? Similarly, Newsy dollar, why a pound Newsy went down? Because Newsy index was getting strong. This is a chart I made on the 27th January and gave it to my subscribers, saying that pound Newsy and Euro Newsy will go down. Similarly, all the Newsy pair will be affected, like Newsy Yen will go up, Newsy USD will go up, right? But I'm interested in these two pairs. And Aussie, yeah, but those two, I'm not that much, Newsy Yen, I don't even look at it. USD, Newsy USD once in a while, yeah. But these are my regular pairs. So, and they went down, both of them. And I just showed you how many Euro Newsy and Pound Newsy trades I had. So what happened to this chart? Look at that. Look at this. This is what happened. Straight up. So Newsy is getting strong big time. It went up and now it's facing the TL, but look, the war is still there. And the effects, the bad effects of that is going to be there. As long as the war is happening, we will have shortage in commodities and shortage in oil. So Aussie, CAD, and Newsy dollar will get strong because these are the currencies are, beneficiary. And yen somehow is getting very weak. And last week, Kuruda came out, the Finmin of Japan, and he says Finmin or the Bank of Japan, governor of Bank, I don't know what his position, but Kuruda is a big figure there. And he said that he's happy the way yen is going or getting weaker. He has no problem with that. So there's no intention of intervention. So they're not going to do that. So that means yen will keep getting weaker and weaker, and all yen pairs will still go to the upside even more. So let's take a look at the yen index. This was the chart I made when we were here at 58.56. So I said this one is the key number. We're going to break that, and we will go for this outer sloping monthly TL, right? And what happened to this chart is this as of last Friday, yesterday. Target is hit, 25th. Well, not really hit, but we are very close to that, right? Later on, probably hit, I don't know. But this was the target, and all yen pair went down big time. Sorry, went up big time. And let me see if I can just quickly show you the profile, all yen pairs. This is how they went up. What the heck happened? Oh, here. You see this all yen pairs here. Aussie yen went up 700 pip, franc yen 600, pound yen 700. Since all of these, since March 15th, right? And this one, CAD yen 550 pip went up in a straight line. Euro yen went up 500 pip. USD yen went up this, and I didn't have space here. New yen also went up 600 pip. All yen pairs went up like this, right in front of you. So that's really what happened. And this is the yen index because it's yen. Now CAD, the story of CAD is that I had this harmonic pattern and I said, we're going to go up, and we did. Right. And after that, this is the one I made on the 15th March saying that now this thing is going to go up and this will happen. Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD down, CAD yen went up. It's going to go up. So exactly the same thing happened for 3 weeks consecutive, at least 2 weeks, I remember. Last week, again, the last trades were these. Let's go show you one more time. You see this CAD yen? Oh, sorry, CAD, USD CAD went down, Euro CAD went down, Pound CAD went down, and CAD yen supposed to go up here. USD, this is USD, and where's the, yeah, here on the 25th. So on the 25th, exactly the same thing happened. CAD yen went up 95 pip, and then Pound CAD, Euro CAD, and USD CAD went down, respectively. Here, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD, because of the CAD index. CAD index is keep getting strong, and it is also. I still have to make a weekly chart on that. So this is how this system is, and this is not only these lines. Okay, you gotta the system start with the weekly chart, understanding it, and I do webinar and I explain that every 2 webinars a week. I explain to my subscribers that these are the charts. This is what's happening. I'm making the new charts right now for this new week. Okay, so all the charts played out, so now I have to make the new charts, weekly charts, then explain those charts to my subscribers on Sunday, that this is what's going to happen. This person will go there, this person is making this, and then we're supposed to do that. And then, in Telegram, I also help, gives out heads up that, the setup is ready on this pair and setup is ready on that pair, so that the subscriber can take the trade. So this is how the system works, and my group, trades. So if you like what you saw, you want to go on my website, then go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And we have today what, Saturday, then you still have the rest of the Saturday, then Sunday, get the system, prepare. And if you need to learn the whole thing, and then Elliott wave, harmonic, everything about the forest, then go on my website, and there's a course for one-on-one teaching over the Zoom, 10-hour course. I teach you personally, 1 hour each session for 10 hours, and you will learn everything, not only this system, but how to do the analysis the way I do, and the weekly charts, monthly charts, and support, resistance, trend lines, as well as the Elliott waves and harmonic patterns, how to count them properly, and how to use the Fibonacci tool properly. You learn all of that. So this is how it is. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. Talk to you guys later.